Hello and welcome to Globit, digital banking with global Bitcoin. I'd like to start by asking a simple question. That is, would you swap a £49 meal for two for maybe the good life? Now, the reason we talk about a £49 meal for two is because typically in the UK today, that's what £49 might purchase. It might purchase a decent meal for two people. But equally at the same time, it could represent the key to the door to what could be the good life for you from the cryptocurrency market. Now, to many people, the good life would be perhaps more income and more money. Or it might be more holidays and more travel. Or it might be the purchase of a luxury villa, maybe in the Mediterranean or the Caribbean. Or maybe somewhere more exotic, perhaps. But if you could enjoy the good life from the cryptocurrency market, would you consider making that payment of just £49 to find out how you can benefit financially? If the answer is yes, or even maybe, I'd like you to listen closely to the remainder of this video. First of all though, did you know that there are more than 1,500 different cryptocurrencies? In fact, if you're familiar with the word Bitcoin, I would count you as very fortunate. Because from my experience, 95% of people haven't come across the word Bitcoin, and those people that have, most of those are not aware that there are more than 1,500 different cryptocurrencies. They believe that Bitcoin is perhaps the only form of cryptocurrency. But did you know that had you have invested just £1,000 between January the 1st, 2017 and January the 1st, 2018, had you have purchased Bitcoin with your £1,000, your £1,000 just 12 months later would be worth £14,000 had you have purchased Bitcoin. Now, had you have purchased Ethereum, another form of digital currency, your £1,000 12 months later will be worth £94,000. And here we have some other examples. In fact, it shows on a daily basis, had you have purchased Bitcoin, what your average daily increase in value would have been. In fact, it would have been 4.01% for every day. That's 365 days during the course of 2017. You'd have earned 26% every day during the course of 2017 had you have purchased Ethereum, 14.65% every day had you purchased Litecoin, and incredibly, had you purchased Ripple, you would have earned 96.6% per day, every day, for 365 days during the course of 2017. And the exciting thing is that all the financial experts who predicted this to happen in the first instance are now predicting that the same thing is going to happen yet again in 2018, especially for the third and fourth quarters. Now, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Malcolm Pennington, and I'm the owner and the founder of Globit. We're an international organisation expanding around the world of entrepreneurs and people who are interested in learning all about cryptocurrency, but more importantly, people who want to gain financial benefit. Because this is the biggest wealth generating opportunity that the world has ever seen. It's the biggest transfer of wealth to the average man in the street. It's the biggest invention, in fact, since the internet. A chance for the average man or the average woman to play in the financial markets and earn the same returns or more as the biggest financial traders, the bankers and the investors in the market, but all from the smallest of outlays. Now, as an entrepreneur, I like to recognize trends in the early stages. And if you're in business, you'll know that timing is very, very important. In fact, timing in business is everything. However, many of those people over the ages of 40 are actually missing the opportunity. In the meanwhile, the younger generation, who are more open-minded to change and are open-minded to technology, are actually taking full advantage, with many examples of students actually becoming multimillionaires. And here we've got an example of someone who's now a global celebrity. In fact, he's an 18-year-old who's become a multimillionaire from Bitcoin. And here on the right-hand side here, we've got the founder of Ethereum, a young man of just 24 years of age called Vitalik Buterin, who's now got a net worth of over $400 million and claims that he's only just now getting started. So if you're now in the process of doing your research on the subject of cryptocurrency, and you're trying to get all your questions answered like I was trying to do when I first came across this subject over 4 years ago, then I'd like to invite you to a private consultation. You can learn all about cryptocurrency starting from today, and it's a chance for you to fast track your success in the cryptocurrency marketplace. In fact, my private consultations between me and my clients normally last anywhere between 30 and 60 minutes. It's a chance for you to ask all of your questions, and I can provide you all of my 4 years worth of experience in this new and exciting marketplace. In fact, it's a chance for you to fast track to success. We don't provide any financial advice, but we will show you where to buy your cryptocurrencies and what to buy, of course, how to open a secure wallet. In fact, I've got 4 or 5 different wallets. We can show you how to open those. They're all free of charge. And also when to buy your cryptocurrencies so that you can buy them at the lowest possible price. And equally, when to sell your cryptocurrencies, but when to sell them at the highest possible price so that you can make the maximum profit. So you're going to learn all of this from a private consultation, plus lots more essential knowledge in the future. Free mentoring, free training, free support, plus you'll be able to join all of our scheduled webinars and of course our live events. So the income potential that you could make from owning the best coins in cryptocurrency is totally unlimited. Phase 1 of the boom is now over and the mania has settled down. But phase 2 is now underway, and this is what we call the smart money. It's the smart money from all the biggest and the richest companies on earth who are all now moving in to this new cryptocurrency market. And this is why me and many of the financial experts in this marketplace are now saying that this is the best time to be involved with the cryptocurrency market. So if this really is the greatest shift of wealth taking place in history, would you risk your hamster wheel for something better? And we all know what the hamster wheel is. It's doing the same thing day in, day out and expecting circumstances to change. So if you're looking to get better results financially, would you consider making that payment of just £49 to fast track your success in the cryptocurrency market? If the answer is yes, then congratulations, fantastic. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click where it says buy now. It does actually come with a full 14-day money back guarantee, so I'm guaranteeing that you're going to be highly impressed during the course of the following 14 days. And so therefore that's the guarantee. And in order to make that payment, click at the bottom of this page where it says buy now. You can make your payment in the form of either PayPal, Visa or MasterCard, and there's also a simple questionnaire to complete so that I can establish your current understanding of the cryptocurrency market. But I look forward to meeting you on the next forthcoming private consultation. You can go straight through to my online diary, so you can book a time that's convenient with you, of course, and me at the same time. You'll receive an email notification. You'll even receive a text notification to your mobile phone to confirm the appointment. And 60 minutes before the confirmed appointment, you'll also receive a further text reminder. So every opportunity to attend the private consultation, and I look forward to meeting you to discuss this subject in more detail. So thanks for your time today. I hope you found that video useful. Do book your private consultation, and I look forward to seeing you very, very shortly. Thanks, have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon.